Hey everybody, this is part 3 to the mini lathe vise. As you recall in my last video, I was saying I had a problem. Well, I got it fixed now. I had to cut the nuts back off because they weren't lined up properly. And I cut the extra 3/8 bar off. I went ahead and made a brass all thread to help center everything up. So what I did is I put this through there, welded it up, got a hold of a brand new all thread, and we're making the handles out of this 1/2 inch round stock. And I'm cut this to length, and let's get started. Alright everybody, I went ahead and cut everything to length, so it should be close enough. I gotta trim them down to the lathe, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this chucked up in the lathe, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got everything chucked up in the lathe, so here we go. I had a bad spot on here where I bent the threads. Oh, I think that should be good enough. So I'm gonna do the other side and the other all thread, and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, went ahead and squared up the ends. Next thing I do, I'll take this 1/2 inch round stock and make the handle. I'm gonna drill and tap the hole, 1/4 inch by 20, drill another hole through here, and I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and tapped the hole, 1/4 inch by 20, and I went ahead and marked where I'm gonna drill at. What I did is I used the carbide insert, scried a line this way on both sides, this way. Then I turned it on and scried a line this way. So now in order to drill, I'm gonna go ahead and drill this hole out, and I'll be right back. Alright, I finished the handle. That's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna go ahead and make the other one, and then I'm gonna start putting it together, and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I went ahead and made the other handle and put some red Loctite. Next step is to install everything and put a nut here, nut here, nuts here, and nut here. And I'll put red Loctite on them too. So when I turn this, the part in the center will move rather than the whole thing will move out. So I'm going to go ahead and install that, put the two nuts in, and red Loctite them in, and I'll be right back. Alright buddy, I went ahead and put nuts on the end with red Loctite, and I went ahead and tested it. There was too much play in all threads, so I made off camera, I made a bracket to stop that, and I took a Jedwin tool post holder and made it fit onto my new OXA tool post. I'll be showing a video on how to do that soon, so subscribe for that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the lathe, and I got my 3/16 end mill set up, and so I'll be right back. Alright, got everything set up, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the tripod, and I'll be right back. Alright, got everything set up, so let's give it a try. And there you go. There you go. There's the vise in action. So this is part 3. So if you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe. And the next video I'll be showing on me making a tool holder for my lathe. So stay tuned.